What turns a simple possession of drugs into an intent to distribute case? Well, there can be different ways that this happens. The most common is when the officers feel like, or the government feels like it's such a high amount of drugs that it's more than his personal use. So they say that just the amount of drugs shows that this person must have had intent to distribute. Or they'll have some other evidence, such as packaging material. So a lot of little small packages, which the cocaine could possibly be divided up into amounts for sale. So small amounts, like under a gram, for individual sale, or that there's some scales that are used to weigh the substance. So there might be some other evidence like that they find that they claim shows the person had intent to distribute. Or it may be that they're using what we call snitch information, confidential informant, a CI. So quite often the officers have somebody that they've arrested for a drug charge, and they dangle the possibility of getting their case dismissed if they'll snitch for them. So, give us some information on some other people, and we'll possibly drop your case or not get you charged. So then the person says, well, Joe over here, he's selling drugs. So then they stop Joe and they find some drugs, and so then they charge him with intent to distribute based on that information. But that information may not ever come out in court, or they may not be able to use that confidential informant or that snitch, and that might get thrown out. So quite often they claim that they have evidence of intent to distribute, but they ultimately can't win on that issue.